Welcome. If you want to change your battle and social styles in Garena Free Fire Max, at first you have to tap on the left upper corner and go for this icon of profile settings. Then go for style, and as you can see at the first we are able to adjust battle style. So currently I just set up the Peacemaker and Ninja, and we can also select which one we are going to display. I'm going to stay with the Peacemaker. And also we are able to set up the different one, like Dominator, Uncrown, Sharpshooter. You can also pick the Early Bird or Wrestle, but in my case they are unfortunately not activated. But we can go for the social style where we can find all of them enable, and for example we can pick maybe Just for Fun and tap here to display. We can pick also another one like Trendsetter, and we get to social styles display. So yeah, after that we can go back, and as you can see right now they appears right here. We get the battle style and the social styles. So that's how we can make it, and if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.